Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're pulling a shot with this newly repaired and beautiful Pavoni espresso machine. And
Not sure what's going on there.
I think you might have to wait a little bit longer at the top. Okay, try now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. Ah, that's sweet.
It's a beautiful shot.
Yeah.
Look at that guy. Oh yeah, nice crema.
All right, yeah.
It's all you, Peter.
It's all you.
Good.
And then shall we?
Andy's a good teacher too.
Let's try the steam.
Mario's in there.
And Mario.
Great. Yeah, no,
Teamwork all around.
And some
You
steam.
earned your merit
Yeah,
badge.
let's just take the steam. Turn the machine a little bit towards the camera so we can see it. Yep, that's good.
Look at that.
Yeah, the base is a little bit
Yeah.
loose.
Wow.
That would be a separate repair.
Okay.
Nice strong steam. So,
Yeah, I didn't realize that. So that needs repair or just tightening.
yeah, it's a whole
Yeah.
separate deal. So,
It's like what he's doing, right?
yeah, so this is what it looks like when we do a base repair. We have to take the whole thing apart, and it's quite the extensive job. We got it in the vise and all this stuff. So, there we go. We're just gonna let it to come. The steam was just a little bit weak, so we're just gonna let it come to pressure here.
Okay.
And I want to test the steam one more time in the video,
Okay.
which is still on. So,
And I got, this was cleaned all the way through.
yeah.
I poked the 3 holes here. So anything, if the steam's still weak, it's back of that for sure.
Okay, good. Yeah, and you can't really do a lot of shining on these machines, just for everybody out there. These are the brass / gold colored machines, and if you shine them, they start to turn silver. And so you have to be really careful how much you shine them. Whereas with the chrome machine, you can shine it and it won't be an issue. So, oh yeah, that steam's a lot better. That's what I would expect. So good steam. And so thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. Thank you.